Welcome, small business owners, to Bookkeeping Basics, from receipts to financial statements. Today, we're diving into the essentials of managing your finances with confidence, ensuring your business stays on track. Let's break it down step by step in this quick guide. First, let's talk about the foundation of bookkeeping, keeping track of your receipts. Every purchase, expense, or sale generates a receipt or invoice. These are your proof of transactions, so organize them diligently. Create a system, whether it's a physical folder or a digital app, to store receipts by date or category, like office supplies or travel expenses. This habit saves you headaches during tax season and helps you monitor cash flow. Next, we move to recording transactions. Bookkeeping is about documenting every financial move your business makes. Use a simple spreadsheet or affordable software like QuickBooks or Wave to log income and expenses. Categorize each entry: sales, utilities, payroll. And do this regularly, ideally weekly. Consistency prevents errors and gives you a clear picture of where your money is going. Now let's discuss the importance of reconciling accounts. At the end of each month, compare your records with bank statements. This process, called reconciliation, ensures your books match your actual bank balance. It helps catch mistakes like missed transactions or double entries and protects against fraud. Think of it as a monthly health check for your finances. From here, we build financial statements. These are the reports that summarize your business's performance. The first is the income statement, showing revenue, expenses, and profit over a specific period. Then there's the balance sheet, which snapshots your assets, liabilities, and equity at a given time. Finally, the cash flow statement tracks money coming in and out, highlighting your liquidity. These documents aren't just for accountants. They're tools to help you make informed decisions, like whether to invest in new equipment or cut costs. Lastly, consider seeking help if bookkeeping feels overwhelming. A part-time bookkeeper or accountant can save you time and ensure compliance with tax laws. Remember, good bookkeeping isn't just about numbers. It's about understanding your business's story. With organized records and clear financial statements, you're empowered to grow. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, like, subscribe, and share with fellow entrepreneurs. Let's keep building successful businesses together. See you in the next video.